Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to loop videos on YouTube. So this is so simple. What you're going to do is you must open your browser first. After that, go to YouTube. After go to YouTube, choose any videos like this one. Sorry for ad, I'm choosing another.
When you're launching a new product with a tight deadline,
2 weeks?
Okay, you can see this video. If you want to make it loop, what you're going to do is you have to put your cursor on the middle of the video or anywhere and just click on your right button of the mouse. Then you'll find here loop option. Just click on loop. If you click on loop, your video will be repeat. If it is end, it will repeat again and it will repeat again. This will be ongoing. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.